A cheerful gardening setup with potted plants and soil bags. Want to grow your own peanuts at home even without a garden? You're in luck. Today I'll show you how to cultivate and harvest a whole basket of peanuts right from your balcony, patio, or small backyard. Let's dive in. To get started, you'll need peanut seeds. Raw, unroasted peanuts work perfectly. Large pots or grow bags, at least 12 inches deep. Loose, sandy soil, compost or organic fertilizer, a trowel, and a sunny spot. Peanuts thrive in well-draining soil and warm conditions, so choose your location wisely. Start by mixing sandy soil with compost to create a nutrient-rich yet well-draining medium. Fill your pots or grow bags with this mix, leaving a few inches of space at the top. The loose soil ensures that the peanut plants can easily send down their pegs, the shoots that grow into the soil to form peanuts. Take your raw peanuts and gently remove the shells without damaging the seeds. Plant the seeds about 1 to 2 inches deep and 4 to 6 inches apart. Cover them lightly with soil and water gently. Within a week or two, you'll see sprouts popping up. Peanuts love sunlight, so ensure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water regularly, but don't overwater. Peanuts prefer slightly dry conditions between watering. Fertilize every few weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer to support healthy growth. Once the plants flower, pegs will form and start growing toward the soil. To help them burrow easily, you can add a layer of loose soil or mulch around the base of the plants. This step is crucial for peanut formation. After 4 to 5 months, the leaves will start to yellow. This is your sign that it's harvest time. Gently dig around the base of the plant and pull it up to reveal a bunch of peanuts. Shake off the soil and let the peanuts dry for a few days before storing or roasting them. Here are a few tips for a successful harvest. Rotate your pots or bags occasionally to ensure even sunlight exposure. Avoid over-fertilizing as it can lead to more leaves and fewer peanuts. Use organic pest control methods if you spot any pests like aphids or spider mites. See? Growing peanuts at home is easy, rewarding, and fun. With a little care, you'll be enjoying fresh, homegrown peanuts in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!